Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hyderabadi Chicken Dum Biryani in my style. Everybody has their own styles, but this recipe has some secret ingredients of mine. If you'll use the same ingredients, you will get the same taste and the same biryani. So the ingredients are bay leaf, star anise, green cardamom, black cardamom, dry fenugreek leaves, prunes, which is also known as aloo bukhara in English, cinnamon sticks, black cumin, few pieces of mace, which is also known as javitri in Hindi, cloves, nutmeg. For marination, we'll cut prunes first. We are not going to use the seeds. Now we are going to make powder out of nutmeg, mace and star anise. Our powder is ready. I have washed and dried the chicken. Now we'll marinate it with some salt. We'll put the grinded masalas. We'll put the chopped prunes and massage the chicken well so that every masala infuses into it. We'll let the chicken rest for 10 minutes. Bakrid is near. If you guys want to use this recipe, you can for mutton biryani. Instead of chicken, you can use mutton. After 10 minutes, massage the chicken once again. Now, add ginger garlic paste. Now add red Kashmiri chili powder. If you don't have Kashmiri chili powder, you can use normal powder as well. Add haldi, which is turmeric. Add some garam masala and give everything a good mix. Now add chopped coriander leaves, green chilies. Add 200 grams curd and mix everything well. Now squeeze half of the lemon. Mix everything well for the last time. Cover it with the lid and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now wash and soak 500 grams of basmati rice. I'm gonna slice the onions. In a pan, heat some oil. When the oil is hot enough, add your onions. Be careful while working with oil, it's very dangerous. Cook until the onion is brown. Heat the water for rice. Onion is done, now we'll take it out and spread it on a plate to cool it down. Water is boiled properly, now we'll add our rest of the masalas. Some chopped mint leaves, a splash of lemon juice and some oil. Add oil so that the rice doesn't stick. Salt to taste. Now add the soaked rice. Mix everything well. Put the lid and let it cook. Check in between if the rice is cooked 80%. Onion is cooled completely, now we'll mash it. Our rice is cooked 80%, now we'll strain it. Now add crushed onion in our marinated chicken. Some chopped coriander and mint leaves. Put oil in which we fried onion. Mix everything. Add rice on top of marinated chicken. Spread rice evenly. Take some milk in a bowl, add food color. Pour the food color on top of the rice. It's okay if the food color is not evenly spread, we want some white rice as well. Same way, pour the oil in which we fried onion. It gives more flavor. Sprinkle some fried onion on top. some chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. Sprinkle some garam masala on top. Pour some lemon juice on top. Cover it with the lid and let it cook until the steam comes out. Hyderabadi Chicken Dum Biryani is ready. Look at those long basmati rice properly cooked. It looks yummy. Transfer it in a serving dish and enjoy the biryani. I highly recommend you guys to try this recipe. It's really tasty. Trust me, once you eat it, you will never forget its taste. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new and tasty recipes. Follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat to watch behind the scenes. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!